Hello everyone, this is actually one of our capstone projects. So it is the LED digital sign. So we made that using the small LED panels. So you are able to connect these small LED panels together and make any size of digital LED sign that you need. The size could be smallest as a one LED panel to a wall size, so you could actually make for any size that you need. So we use the Raspberry Pi and the color controller board, and the Raspberry Pi technically take care of everything, and you are able to scroll the text. You could play the video, and also you could play the picture on your LED sign that you have. So we made in this size to somehow we advertise the program. So we put everything inside the frame that you see. This is actually the PVC frame. So we actually make the LED sign, then we actually put inside this frame that you see. So as you can see, the frame is the PVC, somehow is the waterproof, and this is a back side of the LED sign. So it is actually the nice frame for the LED sign that we have. So as you could see, it is able to show the any image that you have. So we actually put some image. We are scrolling the text and also some animation like the firework that you see. So the cost of the project for this size that you see is, for us it is around 700 with everything that we put, which is very reasonable price. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like this video.